technical approaches. Okay, so we are just like continuation of contemporary approaches to information system. That what are the contemporary approaches? So we have a technical approach, emphasize mathematically based model. Okay, so people are looking for more mathematical model because they are more perfect and give you a best solution. Computer science approaches, management science, and operational research. So you know about the operational research now. Behavioral approaches like issues with the, because behavioral approaches are usually done are related to the human, because human is a complex machine. It is unpredictable. It can change anytime. In the morning it will say it can think one thing, and in the evening it can think differently, right? So
Right.
how to deal this thing, because sometimes in businesses the things are not as you think. Why? Because maybe what you think is different in the people mind over there, right? So sometimes you think that this product will be sold more, but people may not like it. People will like they have different behavior attitudes over there. So for that you need to learn the psychology and the sociology as well, how to some like knowledge about these two soft skills. These are the soft skill, how to understand the psychology of the customer and the people over there and the society as well. Sometimes if you have a business of like for example in Saudi Arabia, dates and like for example musalla and this thing, so people will buy it more. But if you do this business like tasbih and musalla in Europe, people might be there, you have like society is different over there, so your productivity will be less over there, right? So now see, even the Chinese, they are making the musalla and tasbihat and all these things, you know, the digital tasbihat and all these things. Although they are not Muslim, but they know the sociology. So what they do it, they know sociology. They like make the product according to the society. For Saudi Arabia, they make one product. For Europe, they another kind of products which they needed. All right. So according to the society, they change it. Okay.